Welcome to the almost mandatory video, the about video. This is the Headbangers workshop. Why is it called the Headbangers workshop? Well, I'm a klutz and I hit my head a bunch of times. So hopefully you guys learn something. Hope maybe it's how not to do things, and that could be good too. And sometimes maybe you'll learn how to do things. So maybe you can come on this journey with me and learn how to do things. So currently, right now, my kids are sleeping, so that's why I'm not in my shop. My shop is in my basement in my house. I am a father of 3 crazy boys, all of them under 6, so it's a little hectic around here. I'm a refinery worker. I am a trained welder. I am not a carpenter. I like woodwork. I just don't do it. Like, I don't get paid for it. Other than that, right now, as I record this, we're in the middle of the coronavirus. So I'm trying to do whatever projects I can to try to stay busy and not lose my mind. So come on the journey with me. Maybe you'll learn something, maybe you won't. Maybe you'll just think I'm a putz. I mean, whatever. So, enjoy.